Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate the Verizon Fios streaming app on your smart TV, follow these step-by-step instructions to access your content. Step 1. Navigate to your smart TV's app store based on your television brand. Step 2. Search for the Fios TV app or Verizon Fios app in the store. Step 3. Download and install the Fios TV app on your smart television. Step 4. Open the app after installation completes. An activation code will be shown on your TV screen. Step 5. Using a computer or mobile device, visit the Verizon Fios activation website at verizon.com Fios TV or the URL displayed on your TV. Step 6. Sign in with your Verizon account credentials, including your user ID and password. Step 7. Enter the activation code from your TV screen into the website field provided. Step 8. Click Activate or Submit to link your smart TV to your Fios account. Return to your TV and the app will refresh automatically, giving you access to live channels, on-demand content, and DVR recordings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.